Come take a tour of this 2011 Leisure Travel Unity motorhome. This gorgeous unit is fresh on our lot and equipped with a Mercedes BlueTech 3-liter diesel engine, which offers great fuel economy. Not only will this save you money at the pump, it also means you can spend less time fueling up and more time enjoying the beautiful views outside of this windshield. Built on a Mercedes chassis, you can find great features such as a factory backup camera and tons of little luxury touches throughout. Filled with tons of cabinets and cupboards, you'll have no shortage of storage space. The well-designed floor plan maximizes all the space this 24.5-foot unit has to offer. Around every corner, you'll find clever features such as this hidden TV that pops up with the push of a button. If you take a seat in these comfy leather recliners, across from you you'll find a fold-away table that makes this space double as a fantastic dining area or workspace. When you're done, the table easily folds down and tucks back away. Moving on to the full kitchen, you'll find more than enough cabinet space for all of your kitchen essentials. Smart designs like this fold-away faucet maximize the amount of counter space you have to cook. You'll also find a hidden waste bin and a 2-burner stovetop. Just in case you don't have enough storage or countertop space, there's a countertop extension that folds up and tons of drawers and cabinets underneath the sink. And of course, no kitchen would be complete without this convection microwave oven and a Dometic fridge to keep all your food cold while you're on the road. And beside the fridge, you will find, you guessed it, more storage space in this pull-out pantry. At the very back of this unit, you'll find a spacious bathroom with a sliding door for privacy and a full-body mirror. The full bathroom features a toilet, sink, and a large shower with sliding glass doors. Of course, you've also got a huge wardrobe to fit all of your clothes. And a linen closet, just in case you didn't have enough storage. And of course, even more storage behind these mirrors. While you've got a full bathroom and a full kitchen, some of you may be wondering where the bed is located. When your day is coming to an end, simply pull the lever on these leather recliners, they'll glide forward, and then you can power recline them until they lay flat. I promise, making your bed is even easier than I'm making it look while filming this with one hand. Once those chairs are laying flat, simply remove the latch and pull down your comfy queen bed, which is fully accessible from both sides. Last but certainly not least, lay down, rest your feet, and take a break. You've earned it.